In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with coins on Aliexpress. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your coins, how to spot items that accept them, and how to make sure the discount is actually applied at checkout. First, open the Aliexpress app and log into your account. If you don't have the app yet, install it and sign in so your coins and orders sync properly. Being logged in is important because coins are tied to your account and won't appear otherwise. Next, check your coin balance. From the home screen, tap Coins, or go to Account and then Coins. You'll see your total coin balance here. Coins are earned through daily check-ins, playing in-app games, shopping, and completing small tasks. It's a good habit to tap in daily because those quick check-ins add up over time. Think of coins as rewards that help lower the price. They're not a standalone payment method. Now let's find items that accept coins. Not every product supports coin discounts. So start in the coin section and look for a use coins or coin discounts area. When you're browsing products, look for labels like coins discount or extra off with coins. These usually show how the price changes when coins are applied. Depending on the item, the reduction can range from a small percentage to a much bigger cut, often between 1% and 50%. Availability can vary by seller and time, so always check the product page for the latest offer. When you've found a coin-eligible product you want, open it and choose Buy Now or Add to Cart. Buy Now is recommended because coin discounts sometimes only trigger when you purchase directly from the product page. Before you proceed, confirm your variations like size or color and double-check shipping options so the order summary is accurate. At the checkout page, look for a line that mentions coins discount or coins deduction. This is where you'll see how many coins are being used and exactly how much money is being taken off. If you don't see a coins line, the item may not support coins or there might be a limit or minimum that isn't met. Refreshing the page or returning with Buy Now can help if it didn't appear from the cart. Finally, complete your payment. Choose your preferred method, whether that's a credit or debit card, PayPal, or another local option, and pay the remaining balance after the coin discount. Remember, coins reduce the price, but don't replace a payment method entirely. That's it. Keep collecting coins with daily check-ins and tasks and use them on eligible items to stretch your budget even further.